Hey guys, I'm Daniel of Pinoy Guide, and this is the Cloudfone Thrill Boost 3. It's one of the most affordable smartphones in the Philippines with an 18:9 aspect ratio. It comes with its removable 2500 mAh battery, a quick start guide, warranty certificate, a free phone case, and screen protector. There's also an inner box containing the charger and micro USB cable. The last accessory is a set of earphones with one monitor branded with the Spotify logo, while the other has the Cloudfone logo. The device is made out of plastic, but it feels sturdy enough when I'm holding it. The removable back cover clicks into place snugly and produces no creaky sounds. Its screen occupies almost the entire front panel and even has gently curved edges and rounded corners. However, it's obviously not an HD display. Its main advantage is in being very comfortable to hold and use with one hand. Thankfully, Cloudfone decided to load the device with a near-stock version of Android with minimal bloatwares. There's a slight delay when opening an app for the first time, but it's tolerable. You can't really complain much for the price of this device. What surprised me though is the lack of autofocus in its rear camera. Selfies are a bit grainy but still acceptable. However, a fixed focus main shooter just won't cut it. After spending a few moments with the Cloudfone Thrill Boost 3, I can cite two of its best features: the phone's compact design and its 18:9 display. I'll test this further and post a full review on Pinoy Guide.